Hi, I'm Liam. Here we are. Think we're gonna have a storm. See? Well, it's pretty nasty looking. Pretty severe. You can see. Oh no. That's it for now.